So hello mga kachilak, so ito, naimbitahan tayo sa grand opening ng Densa Makati. Ayan, sa mga hindi nakakalam, ang Densa ay isang premium high-end electric and plug-in hybrid vehicle brand. Ayan, it is a joint venture by the BYD Auto and Daimler AG. It specializes in luxury MPV and SUV such as the D9 MPV and B5, B8 SUV featuring advanced high-performance technology. So actually ang powertrain nito, they focus on more of pure electric, which is the BEV, and the plug-in hybrid, which is the PHEV. So meron silang models dito. Ito ang D9, yung kanilang flagship luxury MPV minivan. The B5, the mid-size rugged off-road oriented electrified SUV, and the B8, ang kanilang flagship 7-seater SUV, sometimes referred as the super hybrid. So maganda mga technology and features nito. High-tech ang cabin, merong features ng like the Dyna audio sound system, 10-way, captain chair, merong intelligent driving assistance. So sana hopefully in the future ma-review rin natin itong kanilang mga sasakyan dito. Then syempre yung performance nito, known for a very high output, katulad nga daw ng B5, it offers over 600 horsepower in some configurations. So ito yung grand opening, napaka prestigious, napaka luxurious. So again, congratulations sa opening ng Densa Makati. Maraming salamat din at ako'y naimbitahan. So special mention ko lang si Ma'am Shane ng BYD BGC. Kaya yan, kung ako sa inyo, anong pang inaantay nyo? Bumisita na sa Densa na makita nyo or maka-test ride kayo nitong kanilang pinakabagong mga luxurious, magandang mga SUV. So till here, this is Well Skilla. See you!